Greetings. I am a representative of the Anti-Sinite Network. These videos are not edited. They are AI assisted and read from script. This subject is part 2 of Time Travelers. Traveling on this journey of life is marked by constant decisions that either bring us closer to or distance us from our divine destination. Every choice we make is a step along the road God has laid out for us, and every action reflects either our commitment to God's guidance or our deviation away from divine guidance. In the broader context of our seeking to maintain a sin-free journey, it's crucial to understand the concept of free will. God has endowed us with the ability to choose, and this gift of free will is both a blessing and a responsibility. It is through our own individual choices that we define the course of our lives. As anti-Sinites, we believe that our choices must be informed by God's commandments, which serve as the ultimate standard against which all life decisions are to be measured. Again, we believe that our choices must be informed by God's commandments, which serve as the ultimate standard against which all life decisions are to be measured. The world around us is filled with voices that seek to lead us astray, knowingly and unknowingly, tempting us with fleeting pleasures and distractions that promise happiness but ultimately result in emptiness and despair. These distractions are like detours that take us off the road God has set before us on our journey. These behaviors appear appealing at that moment, but they lead us away from our true purpose and distance us from God's presence within our thinking and decision-making qualities. The journey of life is not without its challenges. We will encounter obstacles, temptations, and moments of doubt. There will be times when the path ahead seems unclear, or when we feel lost, confused, and bewildered. In these moments, it's essential to remember that God's guidance is always available to us. God's commandments are like a compass, always pointing us in the right direction, even when the road is dark and difficult to see. Moreover, as time travelers, we are not alone on this journey. We are part of a larger community of believers who share the same destination. Our fellow time travelers offer support, encouragement, and wisdom along the way. As anti-Sinites, we have a responsibility to help each other stay on the right path, to provide guidance to those who may be struggling or may not have seen or recognized the light of truth. We assist by holding one another accountable to the standards God has set for our successful journey. Living a sin-free life is not just a personal endeavor, it is a communal one. When we strive to live according to God's commandments, we create an environment that develops sin-free growth for ourselves and those around us. We become beacons of light in a world that is shrouded in sinful behavior. And through our example, we lead others toward the truth of God's word, leading others by example, not by words alone. Our trust in God's plan also involves surrendering our own desires and understanding to God's will. There may be aspects of God's commandments that we do not fully comprehend or understand, but our faith calls us to obey nonetheless. This obedience is an act of humility and submission, recognizing that God's wisdom far surpasses our own. By submitting to God's commandments, we acknowledge that God knows what is best for us and that his commandments are designed for our ultimate good. In the end, our journey through time within this earthly life is a test of faith, obedience, and perseverance. It is a journey that requires us to constantly align our will with God's, to reject the sinful distractions that seek to derail us, and to remain steadfast in our commitment to a sin-free life. The road may be narrow, and the journey may be challenging, but the destination is worth our every effort. As time travelers on this divine journey, we are to keep our eyes fixed on the goal, eternal commune with God. This is the destination that awaits us if we remain faithful to his commandments. It is a destination of unimaginable love, peace, joy, happiness, and fulfillment far beyond anything this world has to offer. By living as anti-Sinites, we affirm our dedication. We affirm our commitment to our sin-free journey, trusting in God's guidance and dedicating ourselves to the sin-free life that God has and is calling us to lead the world and live on. Peace.